What's good, Mogos fam? And ngibuyile back with a video blind like namhlanje nje into engizoyenza ngifuna ukuthi nginjengise ukuthi uyenza kanjani i-breakout strategy. So i-breakout strategy i-strategy esitswembu ngempela and sifuna ukuthi wenze sure ukuthi ama-analysis akho uwenza ngendlela. And sorry ngomsindo enuzwayo la ngaphandle. I'm actually outside and I'm in a journey, so kuzoba nomsindo nje weyimoto nje kakhulu, but ke I hope ngiyazwakala so that ngizokwazi ukuthi ngichaze kahle lento. So let me first just look at Australian dollar nilo i-Audi kahle ngiyibiza nge-Audi kodwa it's an Australian dollar. So first thing first, into engizoyenza mangi-analyze fanele ngiqale ngicheck ukuthi okay, monthly time frame ukuthi ibheke ngakiphi, where is it going, kwenzakalani ngayo, yabo. So apparently it seems like it's actually on a sell, yabo. Ikuseli ifuna ukuthi ithi shwi la ezansi ithi yotholana nale resistance le, or should I say support, yabo. So or either le ya 5.6 which is 0.56. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, then for closer speggy wiki. Okay, wiki. Now it's still going down. Kodwa kuno potential buy nyana lapha encane. Then mase kuthi siye kwi-day. Okay. Good day. It seems like on a consolidation from this point. Yabo. So I need to view a bit closer ukuze ngikwazi ukuthi ngicheck ukuthi kwenzakalani siye ku 4 hour. Okay. So 4 hours much more akufani khona into engayenza. So first thing first ngiyabona ukuthi kune support ne resistance. Then into ekufanele ngiyenze mina is to draw up a trend line. Say from here ngiyala. Right? Then ngiphinde again trend line from here to here. So because we are doing a breakout strategy, breakout, sorry about that. Senze breakout strategy bafethu la. Ngibalekile ukuthi we understand lento. And lento idinga patience and accurate analysis, yabo. So mase ngemva kwaloko siya ku 1 hour. Okay, siyabona la ukuthi ke isa i-downtrend kodwa ama-trends on trends angisho kanjani. So i-downtrend kodwa uptrend in the inside of i-downtrend. Angazi noma ngayithola le understanding. So shuthi iqale la phezulu yathi ukunyuka kancane yehla yaba ne-support, yaba ne-resistance, yaba ne-support, yaba ne-resistance, yaba ne-support, yaba ne-resistance, yaba ne-support, yaba ne-resistance. Manje sine-support and there's a possibility ukuthi ibe ne-resistance, yabo. So thina into ebalekile fanele siyenze, we have to wait until it's either lento izonyuka then ize la i-break out, or it's going to go down, or you break it down and out. Yabo, that is what we are waiting for. So just to be specific, ethi ngifile arrow. So kusukela la breakouts la. So now what we're gonna do is that we're going to sell here. We're gonna put a sell lapha kuleya ndawo. What's in Bali? Sell. We're gonna sell lapha. Yabo? That automatically lapha kule arrow nje orange, then we are sell awin because it will be breakile out. Yabo? Okay, na enye ilo example la. I think I said those na ingcono. Let me draw up my trend lines army. Okay, here trend line yafika la, phinde futhi ngenze enye trend line. So here, can you see what's going on? So if yasuka le phezulu because it downtrend yanyuka yathi resistance, yathi downtrend yanyuka, yathi downtrend yanyuka, yathi downtrend, then ya break from that support. When from the moment you see what it's breaking, yabuya yanyuka phezulu, then yasela, and it went all the way down, So this could have been your profits starting from here. Okay, this could have been your starting from here. This could have been your profits up until there. Yabo? Profits. Profits. Yabo? So it is that easy, guys. That easy. Depending on when, how long do you wanna take this? Yabo? So that is actually the main thing that is important here with breakout strategy. It's a very easy strategy. So the only thing that you just check, we'll see, is there an uptrend or a downtrend? If it's a downtrend, then you do sell. If an uptrend, then you do buys. It's more convenient in that way. So guys, make sure you subscribe, like, comment down below if you find this strategy interesting, and if una my challenges, make sure you comment it down below so that so as when the lama videos are much more on fire. They're on fire, guys, fire. So yeah, I'm out.